Hello. So we are back here. Same Tuesday. We just finished the Sony, and we have a Lenovo laptop. Okay. What model is? This is a Lenovo. Let me check. G50-70. I don't know, but this model, it sounds familiar, yeah. And yeah, it's no power, but actually, what I can see here, look, is I think we made a video about this, about the hinge, and yeah, but it's not about that. The problem is when I plug the charger. Plug the charger, and there should be the backlights. Yeah, there, here, yeah, the LED for power and charging, and we have nothing. We have no light, and when we press the power, the battery LED is blinking. Yeah. So I have no idea what's the problem, but it's not coming on at all. Yeah, the charger is good. If we check the charger, ground, and we have 20 volts. Yeah. So what do I think? I think we have a problem related with the main power rail, with the 19 volts from the charging port, because I press the power button and the low battery LED is blinking. That means the laptop press the power, the laptop try to start the things, but obviously he will not start the things because the voltage of the battery is too low. So yeah, that's what I think. So we can have like a charging port related problem, but the charging port is looking good because I checked already. Yeah. So I can't see nothing wrong with the charging port. But who knows? Who knows? Let's see what can be. Blinking charging LED. Yeah? Yeah, I remember this laptop. Remember, we have a video of you, and we have a charging port connector there. Let's check the voltage. Charger is plugged. Plus, minus. Plus 0. We have a short. Plus, minus, nothing. No, the charger is fine. Plus, minus, 0. The middle pin, 0. Okay, the laptop is sealed. You can see this seal. Let's break it. Let's open quickly, because obviously something is wrong from the charging port to the board. But what can be wrong? Maybe you have this laptop. Maybe it's not charging, it's not coming on. Yeah, the fan which is screwed on the keyboard. That's sick. Okay, let's do it quickly. Oh, look what's here. And here, probably the people, they have a cat based on the hair. Ooh. Okay, let's open this. screw missing. Okay, so this is an easy one. This is an easy one. CD drive, and that's all, yeah? Now the keyboard should come out. Let's try. Oh no, let's take out the keyboard. Yeah, there's no screw here. Okay, touchpad connector, power button connector. Let's do it quickly, because it's nearly the lunch break. I think we have one more screw somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, the keyboard it's out. Yeah, obviously the things are broken, look. The charging port, the wires looks good. No, look the red wire. You can't see. Okay, so I think we found the problem. 1 second. Yeah, that's the charging port, and that's the red wire. You can see the red wire. Yeah, that's the one. That should be soldered there. And look at the second red wire. Yeah, I can't see, sorry. The second one, which is supposed to be soldered here. Yeah. Let me get out the charger. So you understand, everything is related. Actually, you think I can't see the relationship from this broken thing, this one, yeah, which is from this cover, yeah, from here, yeah, which is next to the power button. So you'll say I can't see the relationship between that hinge screw or the top cover screw with the charging port. Yeah, it is. It's not there, it's moving. Obviously the charging port is moving and the wires get broken. Exactly what happened here. So when you do like a bad design like this is a bad design. This is it's Lenovo. When you do a bad design on the case, obviously you can have like this, like a charging port problem, which in the first place looks like it's not related with any mechanical thing, but it is. Yeah. So because your plastic quality is, you know, because of that, actually the charging port got faulty and the wires get broken. Let's try to solder those wires back, yeah? So probably the manufacturer think, oh, it's just a cheap plastic, you know, nothing can go wrong. The laptop will still work, but it's not. Okay. Let's solder the wires. Okay, that wire is perfect, soldered there. Yeah, that wire is soldered properly. Yeah. Let's try now. Let's try now. Let's plug the charger. Let's find the... Okay, the charger port is not plugged in on the other side. Let's plug now. Power buttons. Let's see. The connector. Okay, which are the... You think we have more problems? Let me plug the power button. And the laptop is on. Yeah? So that's the thing, if you have this problem and you plug the charger, you press the power button and the LED from charging is blinking, that's the problem, yeah? You have a problem with the charging port and you're charging with your power line, yeah? Okay, I'll stop now. This is just basic, yeah? I'll put all back together after. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, yeah? And see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.